Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and replace the liquid detergent tray in your LG washer. It's a really easy part to replace, doesn't require any special tools. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. The main reason you'd want to replace your detergent tray is over time they will get gummed up and they will get to the point where they no longer function the way they should. So typically the detergent lays inside, water is ejected into the tray causing it to overflow and goes down into the tub to wash your clothes. If it gets gummed up and plugged up, then you don't get the detergent or the machine working properly. So replacing the detergent tray in your LG washer is very easy. You're just going to open your dispenser drawer, reach in, take hold of the dispenser tray, and just pull it out. Now these can be cleaned, but if there's either a piece missing or they're gummed up so bad it's not worth cleaning, you just take your new one, drop it down into place, give it a little push to make sure it's settled, and just close your dispenser drawer. So there, you can see just how easy it is to replace the detergent tray in the dispenser of your LG washer.